Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React.js. So today we are going to learn with Google sign in. So you can see that I'm successfully logged in as a Google sign in. If I go and just copy this URL in a private window, and let's see how we are going to log in. Okay, so you can see that in the spec we are going to sign in with whatever account we have. So I need to add account. Okay, I'm going to add 3. Okay, now moving to the next. Now it asking for the confirmation code. So I have just verified it, and now you can see that I'm successfully logged in and the data I am getting in. So let me refresh it. Now you can see that I am successfully logged in as a user, because on that note it is set in the local storage but it's not reflecting at the runtime. So you can see that I'm logged in with my account with the Google sign in. So how this is visible? So I will let you explain you how it is. So this is the Firebase Google sign in. So what we have to do, we have to import get sign in with pop-up Google auth provider. Okay, and get auth, and this will give you the result of the username ss token user, so you can handle with your form. The same thing that I have doing, sign in with the Google, sign up with the pop-up auth and provider. Whatever it will fetching of, that is the user and email, and then we will set into the local storage, and then after this we will get in the app.js file. So here you can see the local storage dot get item name and the email. That's very simple. So you can simply use this in your React project to sign in with the Google. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget, like these are the credentials that we have to come up with the Firebase config. So for Firebase, this one we need to enable this configuration in your project. So go to your authentication, go to your sign in method. You need to add your Google. This there is a list of things. Okay, so you need to enable the Google and enable that one. So here it needs to be enabled part, right? And we have support email and everything should be there, and then save this provider. Okay, so this is how, after this that will work, else it will not work. So you have to do the configuration of authentication and all in your Firebase project. Then you can see that it will be happening like this one. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.